Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating your Guru Freelancer account step by step. Whether you're looking to find your first remote job or expand your freelance opportunities, activating your account is the first crucial step. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Guru website. Begin by going to the Guru website at www.guru.com. You'll find the option to sign up for a new account right on the home page. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. Once you're on the Guru homepage, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to continue. Step 3. Choose your sign-up method. You can sign up using your email address or with your Google or Facebook account. Select the method that suits you best. If you choose to sign up with your email, make sure you provide a valid address that you'll have access to. Step 4. Fill out your information. If you are signing up with an email, you will need to fill in your details such as your name, email address, and a password. Ensure that your password is strong to secure your account. Step 5. Verify your email address. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a verification email from Guru. Click on the link in that email to verify your account. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 6. Complete your profile. Once your email is verified, return to Guru and log in to your newly created account. Fill out your profile with relevant information, including your skills, experience, and a professional profile picture. This is crucial as it will help attract potential clients. Step 7. Set your payment methods. To start receiving payments, you'll need to set up your payment methods. Guru supports various options like PayPal, bank transfers, and more. Navigate to the payment section in your account settings. Step 8. Start browsing. Jobs. Now that your account is activated and your profile is set up, it's time to start looking for freelance jobs. Use the search bar to find jobs that match your skills and interests. Step 9. Submit proposals. When you find a job you'd like to apply for, submit a proposal. Make sure to put effort into your proposal to stand out. Highlight your skills, experience, and how you can meet the client's needs. Step 10. Stay active and earn. Stay active on the platform, apply for multiple jobs, and consistently update your profile. The more you engage, the higher your chances of landing remote jobs on Guru. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide on activating your Guru Freelancer account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and resources on remote work.